Hey guys, this is Jake. Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be covering replacing Manny with a MetaHuman. So that way our employee has a nice high quality character mesh that we can customize later with protective equipment and uniforms and hair and accessories and all sorts of good stuff. So let's get into that. First and foremost, we're going to want to import a MetaHuman. So you're going to want to go into Bridge. You can right click in the content browser, Bridge, go to your MetaHumans if you have them created. If you don't, then you could just use a preset. Bring him in. Let's enable the missing plugins. We'll enable the project settings. Restart it. Sweet. So once the MetaHuman is loaded, we got him opened up here. Take all his components, copy those. Let's go open up our player character blueprint. And this is what we have. So we have the regular mesh, and then we have the first person mesh that's visible in first person mode and has a camera attached to it. So we'll attach this, the main mesh, write that down and parent it, reset the transforms. Okay, so we've got him in there. Select the body. Actually, let's select the body in here. You can see the skeletal mesh asset that's used, so we can browse to that. Go to skeleton, assign skeleton, search for SK mannequin. Right here. Okay? Alright, now our MetaHuman has a skeleton that is Manny's skeleton. So we should be able to use Manny's animation blueprint now. Back to the body asset and make it default asset for that. We can get rid of that one. Hey, that's starting to look pretty decent. And it's using Manny's animation blueprint. For the first person mesh, we're gonna need to duplicate all this again. Attach those to the first person mesh. Okay, so this is body, face. These are gonna be torso, legs, and feet. That's definitely feet. And actually, I guess we can delete FP body, and we can just set this mesh again. There we go. So now we've got him looking naked. Let's see. Change this to anim preview with attach instance. Preview with attach instance. Change this to the same thing. Do the same for these other ones. Attach instance. Okay. I have a feeling the feet are probably not going to work because of IK, but they might. Let's take a look. Sure, our game mode set. Player character's good. Okay, we're inside the head. So that's because we need to hide. And we need to set the feet, face, legs, torso to owner node as well on the third person mesh. Now it's looking a lot better. Now we just need to fix that we're inside of the first person face. Some nice teeth. Oh yeah, you also probably want to copy these over too. Let's do... If we set this to no C, okay, this is perfect. This is exactly what we want. And we got the hands coming up. the feet are locked. As you see, it's bouncing. So we can fix that. Do we still get a shadow? Let's find out. Okay, let's see if we can duplicate it. Call it shadow. Nice. So that kind of worked, but we don't want it on the first person mesh. We probably want it on the main one. So that's working for now, and maybe when we put clothes on it, that should help too. We'll be making another video for attaching clothes and PPE and all of that good stuff. This one was trying to get the MetaHuman as a playable character, and so far we have succeeded in that, guys. So for now, just to keep it simple, since we are sliding because of the foot, we're going to want to select the main map, find the animation blueprint, we can browse to it, open that up, the anim graph, right here where the control rig is. That's what controls the foot IK. So the simplest workaround for this is to simply disconnect it and go straight into that. So now when we play, now we're moving, and it's looking good. Well, thanks for following along, guys. If you enjoyed the video, to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more. And thanks for following along on my development journey, the concrete polishing simulator. It's been great to have you all here with me. It doesn't feel so lonely anymore. See you in the next one.